Okay, so many chartered accountant are planning to come to Dubai for the job purposes or for various opportunity. Okay, so before coming to UAE or before coming to Dubai, okay, so you have to um, you have to be careful on these things. Okay, so first you have to do the research and in-depth analysis. Okay, so I will explain these points in the next slide. Okay, and what are the skills recommended? I will recommend what are the skills required if you are coming for the Dubai is like a fresher, like, and documents required, what are the documents required, and what is the visa requirements and everything, so like visit visa related things. I will also explain about this CV preparations, okay, and I will also explain about how to search the job, okay, and the CV preparation and how to search the job. I will make a separate video on these separate topics, okay, in-depth video, and I will tell my experience and what is the market trends and what is the living standards, what is the growth perspectives, and again the my experience. Okay, so on this way, on this point, I will explain my point of view. If you are planning for Dubai, okay. So now let's move to the. So research and in-depth analysis. What you have to do in this, you have to analyze your income comparisons. So what amount you can earn in India and what amount you are expecting to earn in Dubai. So you have to analyze because in Dubai there is no taxation. In India there is a taxation, and also the cost of living. You have to think about the cost of living. What will be the cost of living, and then actually it will comes under the saving. So the saving is the amount that you have to consider, you whether you are getting the benefits or not, in terms of monetary, in terms of like family. You have to think from the different perspective, okay, and you have to think about the growth also, like what will be the growth and the work life balance and foreign country. If you want to move in foreign country from the Dubai, then people said like it is very much easier, but I also found like it is quite easy, but at the same time I don't have personally experience of this foreign country related things, so I don't know in details, but people think like there is you will get some benefits if you have a experience of a UAE, then obviously you will get some leverage other for the having experience in your home country like India, Pakistan, and Nepal. And what are the skills recommended? So these are the skills. I think these I have explained everything. So let me tell you about things. So suppose this income analysis, if I have compare myself like what I will get like 70,000 or 80,000 in India, then after taxes and how much it will be like that, and what will be the saving, and what is the cost of living there in Delhi, or what will be the savings. So saving figures I have taken from there, and from my from your friends or friend circles. So based on your experience, or are you a fresher, you can expect how much will they give me like in UAE, how much you can earn. So taxation, there is no such taxation, so nothing is reduced. And then cost of living, what will be the cost of living? You have to reduce that, and then there will come to the savings. Okay, saving in India, saving in Dubai. Okay, and so after 1 year, what will be your growth in India? After 1 year, what will be your growth in Dubai, and what will be the savings? So, and a third year, so I have made the 3 year plan. Okay, 3 year plan, like uh, what will be my savings, and after like 3 years. Okay, so from first year, second year, and third year, like that. And what will you have to take in consideration in second year, third year growth perspective, and what will be the work-life balance? Like mostly, when I was in India, like I used to listen that there is like a 5 day working. Mainly, most of the companies are 5 days working, and they will not call after this office hours, and there is a quite good lifestyle. Okay, work-life balance, and from the foreign country perspective you have to think, okay. So these points you have considered on the your research and in-depth analysis. Now, second point is like skills recommended. So, what are the skills that I would personally recommend to have with you? Okay, for this if you are planning to come to Dubai. So MS Word and MS PPT, that becomes the basic things. Okay, advanced MS Excel. Yeah, this is the Excel. I know you know, है ना? I know that you are personally have a good experience over the MS Excel. So sometimes they will have advanced MS Excel. So in which like a query running, like and chart preparations and everything. So you must have that advanced Excel learning, like different formulas, a complex formula. So if you have it, then it will be the better one. And this MS Power BI also for this, because why I'm recommending this much like skills, because when you are coming to UAE, so you have only 2 months, 2 months to prepare yourself, or 2 months to get your job. Okay, so in which industry you will get, no one knows. Okay, so you have to prepare. You have to get the knowledge from this auditing point of view also, like if you are get audit in audit, if you get job in audit field, then what are the skills required, then from here they will consider, okay, these skills are percent required for the audit purposes. If you get job in finance related field, then they finance, this is financial modeling, discounted cash flow modeling, SQL, and Python, that will required for you. Yeah, that will help you to get a job in financial modeling. If you are getting in industries as a accountant, so accounting software such as QuickBook, Oracle, SAP, Zoho, Sage, these are the accounting software mostly used in UAE. Okay, so and Tally also used in UAE. If you know about the like SAP, yeah, Zoho, Sage, QuickBook. Okay, so these software, if you know, then it will help you to get a job in as a accountant position. Okay, senior accountant, like that, finance manager, also finance manager, based on your experience. And you must have a good communication skills. So good communication skills, you must have the good personality. Okay, so dressing sense and everything, it should be like matching with her like professionals. And apart from this, must have a IFRS knowledge if you are a fresher, or if you have not worked in IFRS related things, then you must have knowledge of IFRS. So actually Ind AS and IFRS are very similar. So apart from few differences, so you can say that you can generally say like what is the real that I don't have a IFRS degree, but I have knowledge of IFRS because India is similar with the IFRS, like that you can you can reply in the interview. Okay, and you also prepare about get some information about UAE corporate tax, the recent changes in the corporate tax, and UAE VAT, value added tax, that is indirect taxation. Okay, so UAE corporate tax, UAE VAT, and this audit related also you can study about how the audit procedures goes on. Okay, then finance related to UAE. Okay, so now. So you must have knowledge of this UAE corporate tax, UAE VAT, because we don't know like in which we have only 2 months of period. So in which industries, in which sector we will get job, we don't know. So we must be prepared from our end. Okay, so from our end, you should be like good in the for the accounting, like consultant. There are many audit firms who take the fresher. Freshers are actually many freshers get job in this audit related consultancy firm. Okay, and in mostly in the corporate tax and VAT and audits, and in some cases bank will not take you. Okay, so personally if you are a fresher, so if you don't have a good experience in UAE, good experience of UAE. Okay, even if you have a good experience of India, the bank will generally not take you. So, and maybe you will get some jobs related to budgeting and FP&A. Okay, so yeah, it is recommended to have the financial modeling like discounted cash flow, budgeting analysis, and everything. So you must have prepared from your end. Okay, so these are the skills required. So better you prepare on these sides. So you will not find any difficulty getting a job. Now, yes. So now what are the documents required? Okay. So what are the documents required? This is the CA degree. You have if you have a CA degree, then CA degree, become degree also, and attestation. Mostly there is a point like when I was coming, so people are asking what about the attestation. I even asking my friends what to do about the attestations. So from my experience, it is like you don't do any attestation in India, better come here. Then when you are selected in any company, then they will ask for your degree. So based on the degree, you can make the attestation here itself. Okay, so there is nothing to worry about that one. So you will get some time for the attestation. So okay, so attestation you can do from here itself. So it's how much cost is like 500 dirham. Okay, 500 to 600 or maximum 700 dirham. And it will do both attestation from India also and UAE also. Attestation has three and four parts. So actually it get signed from the Indian government, then UAE government, and then in between also they have to sign from this institute also. For example, if you have a degree from any university attestation, India Ministry of Foreign Affairs attestation, UAE government attestation, three states. So all these things will come under this passports and other relevant degree like 10th through 12th. Whatever the degree you have, you can take it like that. Okay, so visit visa. So you first have to take the visit visa. So generally people take a 2 month visit visa, and previously there was a 3 month visit visa also, but now as of April 2024, there is only 2 month visa and 1 month visa and a family visa. So you will not get any family visa. I mostly, if you have a family, then you get your family visa. Otherwise, 2 month visit visa, you take the 2 month visit visa, and what will be the cost? I think from India, if you cost it will be 500 or 500 to 600 dirham. Okay, 500 to 600 dirham. You convert it, what amount will be like 12 to 14,000. Okay, so for the visit visa and for these flight tickets with the return tickets. Okay, you have to take the return tickets also, and later on you have to cancel the return tickets. So hotel booking also you have to take. Yeah, yeah, I'm from Nepal, so I have to take a return tickets with hotel booking. But some of my friends from India, they told me like they don't need these hotel bookings only and return tickets, and also you have to take the foreign currency also, foreign currency in dirham, and some of friends like foreign currency is not required from India. So I don't know much about this India, this regulatory like visit visa related to with India, but you have to take 2 month visit visa, and the cost is 500 to 600, and flight ticket with return tickets. These are the three are the compulsory, and the hotel booking is like you have to check out, and this foreign currency also you have to check out. And this CV preparation. So prepare CV in your home country. Home country itself, you prepare your CV. After coming here, make changes CV based on the information of UAE, like address and mobile number. You have to change the address and mobile number from here, and get your CV prepared and take the printout. Printout also it will cost 1 dirham per page, or sometimes if you are going in um, some different area where there is a costly area, then it will come to uh, 2 dirham uh, per photocopy. Okay, so per Xerox, like 1 dirham and 2 dirham it will be for one. But because you have to take the address also, you have to put new address and new mobile number you have to put. So you can't take CV from India. Okay, so you prepare in this uh, keep your Indian laptop, and based on this information make changes and get the CV updated here in UAE. Now, how to search the job? Okay, so for example, what I have told you, like everything I have explained. So research and in-depth analysis you have done. So skills also recommended. These you have done. Suppose and documents required. You have kept all the things. Visit visa also you kept all the things. Visit visa also done. CV also you prepared and you get it. Now you have to prepare for this. How to search the job, and then I will explain my experience. Okay, and then market trends, living standard, and growth. Okay. So now CV preparation, how to search the job. So sir, basically you will get a job from the LinkedIn mostly LinkedIn and WhatsApp group. WhatsApp group also if you come here, then there are many WhatsApp groups from India based also WhatsApp group UAE from the UAE. Okay, so in that WhatsApp groups, there are a lot of vacancy are coming. So you have to apply on that email address and on that respective company. Then you will get any job offer. Or from the LinkedIn also, if you are active in LinkedIn and you are posting regularly, then you can get the job from the LinkedIn also. Okay, and from the reference also you will get. There are various community programs are being held in UAE. So in that 2 months you can go for these community programs where like professionals are coming attending the meetings. Here you can approach anyone that you are looking for a job, and then they might refer you. Okay, so refer you. And now Indeed and Naukri Golf. So basically, these three: LinkedIn, Indeed, and Naukri Golf. Indeed and Naukri Golf. I would recommend. You will not get any job from this Indeed and Naukri Golf. Like they you will keep all the information, but you will not get any calls from these. So mostly you will get from the LinkedIn or a community reference and WhatsApp group. A lot of like all this Indeed and Naukri Golf, same things like you can get in WhatsApp group also. Yeah. So from here you will get the jobs, and Indeed and Naukri Golf is also like a good platform. There are a lot of vacancies. If you are applying from this Indeed and Naukri Golf, you will get a job. So there is no doubt. But if you are like a professionals, and so LinkedIn is a better way to find the job. And this is my experience. So my experience is based on this one, this same steps. Okay. So what was my analysis? So my analysis was like I have analyzed like 3 years plan. I have made 3 year plans. First year, how much I will earn, and how much will be the cost of living, or how much will be the saving. Okay, and second year after some growth, and third year after some growth, and what will be the net saving for the 3 years. And for if I work in India, then what will be my expected growth, and what will be my salary, and what will be the taxation, and cost of living, and then what will be the net saving. So based on this, I have analyzed myself and what are the skills required. So you have to prepare your skills. I have all that skills I have, except this Python. Actually, I was about to learn the Python also, but but I got my this visit visa and everything. So then I left. I did not learn about this Pythons. Okay, so documents related things. I also collect all the documents, and after just passing my starter accountant, I started for this visit visa related things. I started collecting information on the visa related things. Okay, so I don't have that CA degree. Okay, CA degree I have got after 3 4 months. So and a become degree I have like, so based on the become degree I got my job. So that is actually you will get job based on the charter accountant. But for this documentation purposes, they will ask like bachelor degree, because there is a two level skill. One is like skilled category visa, and other is like unskilled category visa. So if you have a bachelor degree, so you will get in skilled category. Okay, if you don't have this bachelor degree and that is chartered accountant degree, then you have to get registered under this on skilled category. So there is anything like difference of, so money actually the salary you will get based on the your chartered accountant qualification only. There is a like, And the difference will be like you are getting only your Emirates ID card, like unskilled category, and also after getting your this degree, you can change it to the skilled category. It will cost around like change of Emirates ID is like 400 dirham or 300 to 400 dirham. Okay, 300 to 400 dirham. So you can change later on also after 6 months you can change it. So there is no nothing. So no any problem. So that's why I told you don't do attestation in India, because if you come here like chartered accountant in some cases in some company, they will not consider chartered accountant as a university degree. Okay, so they want like bachelor degree only, from the university degree only. Okay, so if you have done for example, attestation of chartered accountant CA degree, and here it is not valid. So it is just a waste of money. Okay, so better you come here, you get the job, and based on their company information, HR will inform you which degree you should get attested. So and you can get it attestation, and how many days it will take. Like normally it will take 7 days to 10 days. Okay, so you don't have to worry about that. So that much amount, that much days are okay. They are okay. They will be okay with that. Okay, that day. Okay, so visit visa now completed. Now like that. Okay, CV visit visa. So I have taken visit visa of 2 months, and then after coming here also, like I was staying in one like bed space, and there also I used to prepare my CV. I used to study IFRS related things. I used to study my CV and what are the interview questions. Okay, so you have to prepare that one, and then you go for the job, and once they will ask for interview, you go there and give your good best. So how to search for the job, CV, you have to prepare everything. So after coming here, I actually I prepared my CV after coming here, not there. There only I have prepared everything. So but here I have changed my 3 times. I have changed my CV. So there are a lot of changes I have after coming here. I have made based on this UAE requirements, and there is a no specific rule that for UAE there is a separate CV and everything. Nothing is there, bro. Just same. There is like that same CV will be okay, fine. Only that there is one CV, na, there is like a photo, there is a details, your details, and like there is your experience and your experience. So that CV is okay. And how to search, I actually got job from the LinkedIn profile. Okay, so I was regularly updating myself on the LinkedIn, and my HR like I was open to network, I open to work. Okay, so my HR directly came to message me that we are looking for you, and if you are uh, if you are like you can come for the interview on this date, and I went there and I got the job. Okay, and my friend got job from this community. Some friends got job from the WhatsApp group. Some vacancy was in a WhatsApp group, and two of my friends got for job from the reference also. So after coming here, you connect with your friends and uh, get your mobile in a WhatsApp group, because if you have an Indian number, then they will not add in that WhatsApp group. Okay, so after coming here, they will add you in that WhatsApp group. So on the basis of that, you will get job. Okay. So what is the market trends? So market trends like really this growth related things. So these are the sectors where you will get a job. Is a business consultant, manufacturing sector, like a accountant related things. Business consultant means a tax consultant, VAT, corporate tax consultant, VAT consultant, auditing related things, ICV consultant, in country value consultant, we called it. Okay, manufacturing sectors like accountant, senior accountant, finance managers. Okay, trading sector also like a senior accountant, finance manager, a real sector, real estate sector. Okay, real estate industries. You will get a job in the real estate. It's a senior accountant. There is the oil and gas sector also. you will get in a tourism sector. So these are the sectors. So I have listed these sectors, so you must get some basics information like how manufacturing industries work. So you watch videos on the YouTube channels how the manufacturing works, how the accounting of the manufacturing things happens, or we can do how the trading related things are recorded, how the real estate sector works, how the oil and gas sector works, how the tourism sector works. Like that you can watch videos and you update yourself. So because we don't know in which sector we will get job. Okay, so we only have a 2 month of experience and we have invested so much amount of money. So it's better you prepare all these things, you get basic knowledge of all these things from your home country and come here and get job. Okay, and also you don't have to get information in the details. Okay, someone was like very afraid. Okay, it's like I have to get the each and every point. So no bro, just chill. You just get the basic informations like what are the requirements, and based on your in which sector you are likely more interested, on that industries you get the some deep knowledge. Okay, and there's a living standard. So living standard, if you are a bachelor or if you are, it depends on the bachelor or you are a family. So what will be the income like? If you are a fresher, then maybe you will get 7 to 8 thousand. Okay, as a, or if you are moving in consultancy, then you will get 7 to 8 thousand. If you are moving in industries, then you will get like 8,000 to 9,000. Okay, based on the company. Based on the company. So income will be like that, and cost of living. What will be the cost of living? So if you are a bachelor, like I'm a bachelor, so cost of living will be 2,500. Yeah, so you can keep it as a like 2,000 to 2,500. So everything will be under this ones, 2,000 to 2,500 per month. Okay, you keep it as simple, simple. Don't go for what will be the rent cost, everything. Don't go in details, but I will explain you details also. But don't go in details, just 2,000 to 2,500. Keep a like 2,000. I will spend 2,000, remaining will be my saving. Okay, so rooms. So actually, if you are like in sharing, if you are living in a sharing, so it will cost like per person 1,000 to 1,500 based on your like a small rooms or big room. There is a studio room. If you are living in a 2 BHK, 3 BHK with lots of friends, like 6, 7 friends, then you will get you can get in the 1,100 to 1,200 if you are living in a studio where only two persons are there. So you per person it will come 1,500. Okay, and if you are in a studio with a 3 person, then per person will come 1,000 rupees. Food related expenses it will be under like 500, 300 to 400 or 500. It will be like minimum 300 or maximum 500. It will be like, and for example, this transportations, mobile, actually mobile and Wi-Fi are very costly as compared to India. Okay, here is for 1 minute, it will be like cost will be like 0.8 dirhams. So like almost you can say 1 dirham. So per minute, 1 dirham will be cost. Okay. So and outing party, others, transportation. So transportation is also costly. For minimum metro charges is like 2.5 dirham or 3 dirham like that. Okay. So and the mobile, Wi-Fi, food. So you can say that room expenses how much like for example average like 1,200, and this food of average like 400, and transportation like per month you can say 200 or like 300. Mobile and Wi-Fi. So mostly actually these are very expensive, so no one recharge. Like mostly people don't recharge or calls on the boating app that it's software. So like a WhatsApp. So it will be like 100 or 200 or 100 we can put 100. So Wi-Fi if you are staying in some so Wi-Fi will be like 300 per month, and you can share between your friends. So consider it also at 100. An outing party and others like 300. So how much will you charge? 12, 2400. it will come under 2400. So 2000 to 2500 it will be okay. Okay. And and the income will be like 6000 to 8000, or no, 8000, 7000 to 8000. If you are going lowest, 7000 you will get. Okay, like lowest 7000, or sometimes if you are not getting job, then you might have to uh, get into 6.5 or 6000. So based on this, your knowledge, your experience, and your interview, they will based on your experience, it depends on you only. Okay, but the average is like 7000 to 8000 you will get. Okay, now you can reduce like 2500 from, if you, even if you get 7000 plus 2500 minus, then like 4500 you can able to save it. And growth, it completely depends on your performance. So growth, it completely depends on your performance. So we have an agreement of 2 years, and you have to work for 2 years, and after that, per year there will be growth and bonus. So if you are in a consultancy, then maybe you will get a 30% or 20% increment. If you are in industries, maybe you will get 15% or 10% increment. If you leave the job and join any other company, then you might get 30% to 40% increment. Like that, it depends, completely depends on you. And if you come here, then after that you will know the real trends, or also I can't like tell you in this public platform that how much my experience is based on the data, and how much I am getting, and how much I will get, and after um, I can't tell you like exact figures. Okay, so when you come here, then when you meet with your friends, then they will explain you everything, like because basically people don't explain all these things, like how much exact amount they are getting. Everything's, no one will tell you. Okay, so you just, so based on the this performance, it will completely depends. But as per my experience, you will get a good amount. And overall, my experience. So overall, my experience is like good. I would say not bad. I'm working like day and night. So overall, it is good as of now. So let's see future what will happen. But I will recommend you to, if you are like coming to here, come as a fresher itself. Don't wait for like 1 year after I will go, or 2 year go. Okay, so you can come as a experience, as a fresher also. You will get a job. Okay, if you are a chartered accountant. Uh, Others I don't know, but if you are a chartered accountant, then you will obviously get job. And if you are like any other degree, like a bachelor degree or some other degree, then I don't have much more information regarding those points. And if you are a semi-qualified, then also like you will get like uh, 5,000, around 5,000. So maybe 4,500 or maybe 6,000. Okay, so but average is like 5,000. So based on the data, you have to make your own decisions. So what will be the, okay? So this much. So you comment on like any specific things that you want to know about. So in the next video, or after taking your all your comments and putting in this PPT, I will prepare one more video, and I will explain all your queries. Okay. Okay. Bye, bro. Okay. End of the slide.